I am your K19 CS1042 Richard Timothy, and this is experiment 10 of Object-Oriented Programming Lab, File Handling. So our first task is to develop a program to create file named myprofile.txt, and we have to write our own profile details such as name, gender, and technical skill, extracurricular activity into the file myprofile.txt, and we have to read and display the contents. So here we are importing file reader class and file reader package, and this is our public class demo. So our first step will be to implement this in the trackers block. If any exception, so it will catch here. So here we will first create the object file writer fw new file writer, and we will pass the address of the sample our text file, and we will this is for input, and here we are asking enter your name. This is variable which will take name, gender, address, mobile number, email id, and we will all write this in by calling fw.write in our file the address which we specified. And here we are taking mobile number in int, so we will convert it into string and we will write it. So and finally we will close it, and we will give the output file writing completed, and if any exception this will catch. And again to read, we will create file reader fr object, and we will pass the address, and here we will give the value fr.read which will read the first letter. So we will traverse until the value is -1, and we will do char ch equal to char of value. This will read in ASCII value. We will convert it into character, and then we will again increment by again calling fr.read. This will go until it reaches -1. We will run this code. Okay. So you can see that file writing completed. Here my name, my Gmail, my gender, my address, and my mobile number. So this completes our first question, and we'll go to the second question. Second question is to demonstrate the following input output operation of the given file. We will read and display the given file contents. We will give the total number of words, vowels, character, and white spaces. So okay, fine. So here we will create one string copy to take the this is our third one, and this is our second one. So here I have created three variables, vowels, consonants, and spaces, and this here we are calling again file writer to take from sample2.txt, and we will ask the sentence, and after writing tp, that is this sentence, we will close it. And again while reading we have to perform our main logic. Here we have to create a variable to take each letter. If it is a character vowel character, it will count as vowel. If otherwise it will count spaces, otherwise it will count consonants. And here we are updating. And finally while printing, so spaces +1 will give us words, and number of vowel will be vowel, number of white spaces will be spaces, and number of total character will be consonants plus vowels. So you can see that hello I, and here number of words is 2, number of vowel is 4, o e I, and number of white spaces is 1, and number of total characters are 8. So this was our second question, and we'll open our file and check whether it's, so it was sample2.txt. So we can see that hello and hi here. So it read from this place and gave us the output. And our third question is to take contents of one file and copy. So here I have taken sample2.txt from the previous question, and we are reading it and we are creating a variable to copy the value. And again we will open file writer class and we will copy the copy variable to this place, and we will save it to another destination. So we'll run this code, and here we will print copying to another destination. Copying to another destination complete. So here I have destination folder. Here we have sample2.txt. We will open this and we'll check. So you can see that it has been copied to sample2.txt in the destination folder. So this completes our experiment 10, file handling. So these were the 3 questions.